Here in this section, we look at how to solve linear equation in 2 or 3 variables using matrices. Before we start off, we need to understand two terminologies. One is consistent and another is inconsistent. When do you tell something is consistent? A system of equation is said to be consistent if its solution, one or many, exist. What does it mean algebraically? Basically, we can get AB or ABC, that is set of values, actually single value or set of values. Wait, I'll explain that, which will satisfy all the given equations actually. Okay, what does it mean? Let me show this, which you guys have already seen all of this actually. So I'll give you guys an example of single solution 2, 5, and this is your textbook problem. So this will give us intersecting line, means there is a common value to both this line. Geometrically, it's a point wherein the line intersect. So solution geometrically means it's a point, the lines, and we'll see one more thing, they intersect. Okay, geometrical meaning of having consistent is that they will intersect. To be honest, they will overlap also. There's one more case, or overlap. Again, consistent has to do with lines intersecting or overlapping. Infinite many solution, one or infinite many solution. That's what it means. Okay, this was to do with two variables. What if we had three variables? See, here it was all about two variables. Okay, I'm not able to show you guys that. Yeah, I should be talking over here itself or over here. If you guys understand this, you can see that it is two variables. Let's move on to three variables. And this two is a textbook set of values, 1, 1, 1 and 6, 0, 1, 3 and 11, 1, minus 2, 1 and 0. And we get what? We are not getting a line, we're getting a plane. Can you see that? That's something. I like this. So there is a common point wherein all this plane are crossing. So this is the first plane. So you can see the second plane is also crossing. Right? Can you see that? So it disappears. Now the third plane. Even that is crossing. So there is a common point wherein all of this are crossing each other. So in this case, 2, it is a single point. Of course, we can have planes overlapping as well. Overlapping is they are the same plane and line. This is your example or scenarios of consistent. So what does inconsistent mean? The system of equation is said to be inconsistent if its solution does not exist. There's no value which will make the LHS equal to RHS. If you guys talk about true statement, so this will give us true statements, and this will give us false statement. Okay, let me put it across this way. There is no A and B or X and Y or A, B, comma, C, which is common to given equation. That's what it means. Graphically, what does it mean? You can take a guess. I'll give an example in 3-dimensional. Oh, I need to stop this. So I have my own set of values 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2, 4, 6, minus 3, 3, 6, 9 and minus 11. So we'll see over here that this is set of parallel lines, right? There's no solution. You can see that there's no dot, correct? So this is a set of parallel lines. So in case of two variables, it will be two parallel lines. And in this case, we have three equations. So all of them, can you see that they are parallel to each other? Okay, so in this case, the lines and the planes are parallel. Okay guys, so you need to understand what is consistent and inconsistent mean. Only the whole chapter makes sense. I mean the end part. So please understand, write it. Don't be lazy. Okay, you can pause and have a look, and also try the code, right? You can put your own values and have a look.